Hide, quick!
Hey, that's my hiding place.
1, 2.
He won't find me here.
3, 4.
Sam will never find me here.
5, 6. Ready or not, here I come. Beware! I have 4 eyes and I'll find you all. Maybe you're here? Where are you? Oh, I think I've got it. I know exactly where you're all hiding. Ouch!
Oops. A bit more. Oh, whoa. Sam, what is all this? Why are you messing this place up again?
Whoopsie daisy! Uh-oh.
Why do I have to clean up after you all the time? And bring you gifts?
Maybe this is happening because we are bored.
Yes, we're bored, Raj.
We're bored all day, every day.
We're bored, Raj. There's absolutely nothing to do here.
Oh, is that so? Why do you need a TV for then?
Well, of course. I think I have a perfectly exciting idea. We need to create a movie about TV Man.
What? With who now?
TV Man, TV Man.
What? Hey, who are you? I don't even know who that dog is, let alone TV Man.
It doesn't matter. We need a creative crew. Creativity is my second name.
My second name is Ted.
Okay, we can try. I've always wanted to be a director.
No, I'm the director, and the screenwriter, and the cameraman, and the sound guy. Super Sam's a jack of all trades. Huh? Guys, where are you?
No I in a team, Sam.
Oh, right. But still, I decide everything.
So guys, can you tell me who that TV guy is?
We'll talk about that later. We need a TV mask. Raj, you're the prop specialist.
What? But I wanted to be an actor.
I can fly! Yay! Let's do that again. That was awesome! Raj, to be an actor, you need talent.
Fine, I'll get the props, but I still need money.
Money? Don't you have a trash can?
Oh, you're right. That's why I never take out the trash. Of course, that was just a joke, friends. Let's get started. This is going to be our TV.
Ducky, no ducks here. I need the best actor. Raj, hurry up.
Now we need to fold it properly, like this, and this, and this. Here we go. Aha! And this is what we've got.
Whoa, Raj. Did you make this yourself? You see, if Raj can do it, so can you. Ow! Stop kidding around, you two! We need actors!
And what should I do?
Get it off me! Somebody!
Okay. I know what we need. We need a screen. Right here. Huh? What's that sound? Ah! That's the right screen. Where did it come from? Anyway, let's glue it right here. Yeah, this looks cool. Up. Now let's give it a spin. Oh yeah! Finally, my time has come. Woof! I'll be a TV dog. We don't even know this guy, and he's going to be the main character. I'm a bad, evil robot I want to destroy.
Huh? Get him out of here! That's right, we need another actor. Stop fooling around, Roger. It's time to do some casting.
I don't understand. Why can't I be an actor?
Who should I pick? How about this one?
Beep boop, I'm TV Man.
I recognized you, Raj.
I'm not Raj, I'm TV Man.
Next!
It's Teddy Bear. Let's try him. He's not the right guy for us.
But why? What? Where are you going?
Look, Sammy, I'm great for this role.
Okay, we will call you when we'll be making a TV lady.
But that's not fair.
Sue, get back! He's the next guy. Tell him no.
Why me? You tell him.
He's scary. Roger, cut it out. We know it's you.
I just wanted to give it a try.
Clockman.
It's me, Clockman.
Oh, yeah! He's a good fit for us.
He's so cool.
Your time has come.
We've got Invisible Man, too.
Oh, okay. Is he even here?
I have no idea. Anyway, is this chick?
I'm the best! You're the cameraman, remember? Oh, yeah, that's right.
How about him?
Bring, bring.
Come on!
It's obviously Roger. Can you see that?
But I want to be an actor so bad.
What is wrong with him?
Got me!
Strange, right?
Ouch!
You're just not cut for it.
Guys, the location is ready. We're good to go. Let's roll.
Okay, do we have cameras?
The cameras are all set.
Sound guy?
I'm ready for an action.
Hey, that's my line. Action!
Oh, what is this? Is it a tree? How interesting.
Yo, don't talk about the tree. Just say interesting. One more time.
Interesting tree, interesting bush.
Would you just say interesting? Let's roll.
It was a dark forest with some very interesting trees.
Hey, huh? What's that? Roger!
Oops. Sorry, just wanted to try it. I'll keep it cool.
Very interesting.
What's interesting? What did you see? I want to see it too.
Okay, let him be.
Tick, tock, tick, tock,
What? Who's making that sound, huh?
tick, tock.
Hey, you, the clock! Stop ticking!
My apologies, but time can't stop.
Oh, then just mute it! Oh. And what is this? Interesting. What if I...
Did everybody hear that? Huh?
Who's doing that?
I can't work like that.
Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry.
Ah, so unprofessional. That could never happen on my watch. Okay, cameras are all set. Whoops.
Amateurs. Hey, you didn't tell me what we were doing here.
Then suddenly, they saw him!
Why is he smiling? I can't work under these conditions.
Hey, dummy, what are you smiling at? You're supposed to be evil.
Sorry, guys. I'm just so excited to be here with all of you.
Action! Then suddenly, they saw him! What's wrong with your face now? Ugh, let's all take 5. It's impossible to work like this.
I can't do this anymore. I don't want to be evil. I want to go home. Sammy, I still can do this. I have everything I need. I can make myself a costume.
Maybe you better just try not to break anything, huh?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Quiet! What's wrong with you? Hey, stop it. No more tears. Pull yourself together. I'll make you a new color screen.
Really? Thank you.
That's better. Action!
I am the TV man. You won't get away from me.
TV man, TV man, TV man.
Let's go.
Hey, wait for me, guys. Where are you? Guys? Oh.
This is a masterpiece.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Hold the camera.
Yeah, sorry.
Action! And then suddenly they met someone even creepier than TV Man. His name was Redhead.
What? But my name is Bluehead.
What, Bluehead? But you have a redhead.
Is this your first time making a movie? It's meta.
We know exactly what matter is. Psst, Sam, what's matter? Is it candy?
So, does he need a makeup or something? I don't know.
I will get you too.
Don't be ridiculous.
Who is talking so brave?
Huh? TV man?
Redhead?
I didn't know you're in this
I'm so
movie.
glad to see you, pal.
What? Where do you think you're going? Security! Security! Get them! Hey!
My second name is Security.
Where is that you? Go away!
Everyone's left, but time will stay forever.
Sorry, guys, but I'm so tired of making this movie. I don't want to be a director anymore. I need a vacation.
It's okay, Sammy. Just relax. It's all going to be all right.
TV
What is going on?
man.
Guys, I'm really tired. Why don't you leave me alone? Please.
It wasn't us, Sammy.
Wait, what? Huh?
TV man, TV man.
TV man. TV
Guys, that's not funny! Guys! Roger!
It's okay, Sammy. It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, what's going on? I don't get it.
It's the real TV man.
Where? Oh, my feathers.
TV man! TV man! TV man! TV man! I'm not a TV man!
TV man. Your time is up, Sam. Now it's my time.
Wait. It's my time.
No, it's my time.
My time.
My time.
It's my time. Ah!
You can stop TV Man, but no one can stop time.
I wouldn't be so sure about that. That'll do it. Subscribe to our channel